The evening for the AFP Bantamweight title, brought to you by Holistic Cloud. Introducing first, fighting out of our blue corner. He is a one championship vet, as well as the number 24 pro featherweight in all of Southeast Asia. He has a professional MMA record of 9 wins and 3 losses. Standing at 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighing in at 134 pounds, he represents Valley Flow by way of Chicago, Illinois. It's Ilimbek Уулу. And introducing his opponent, fighting out of our red corner. You have seen him on the Dana White Contender Series, LFA. He's currently the number 1 Ohio professional bantamweight and the number 5 Ohio pound-for-pound fighter. He has an MMA record of 9 wins and 5 losses. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing in at 135 pounds. Representing Extreme Couture Las Vegas by way of Canton, Ohio. It's Miller!
Ready to get it started for our main event of the evening for the 135-pound title, American Fight Promotions.
Main event, let's rock. Starting out, measuring each other up good here.
Akılbek taking the center of the cage to start. Very measured and a good.
Жаңы жыл үй дүйнөдөгү эң жылуу жайга айланган мезгил. Аны андан да жылыраак кылыңыз. Сайманы кошуп алыңыз. Ылдамдыгы секундасына 500 мегабит. Баарына жетет. 220 телеканал жана 5 онлайн кинотеатр. Бүт үй бүлө үчүн кубаныч. Гигабиттик роутер жана приставка акысыз. Алгачкы 3 ай үчүн 30% жаңы жылдык арзандатуу менен. Болгону 850 сом. Билдирмеңизди дароо азыр калтырыңыз. Акция 15 январга чейин уланат. Сайма, биз ар дайым жаныңыздабыз.
Double jab overhand for Miller.
Уулу being very patient.
Yeah, I spoke with Miller's coaches earlier, looking for some keys for this fight. They wanted to keep long, straight punches, really work down the center, try to control him against the cage for some of those takedowns. See right now, both fighters just trying to find the distance.
Make a couple reads. There he goes, connects with a right. Very fast.
Mo doing a good job switching from southpaw to orthodox. And a lot of people don't realize he saw with that little hook kick.
Nice feint. Catches Уулу off guard.
He has a karate background.
That's a nasty kick.
Yeah. So he's not afraid to spin. He's not afraid to kick. And he trusts his wrestling enough to put himself in those positions, does Miller. That was an issue that Mo had in his last fight. He got a little bit chewed up on the leg kicks in his fight in Louisiana. And there's the first takedown attempt.
Уулu starting to open up a little right now, getting very comfortable.
He's doing a real good job of taking the center of the cage. And I was interested to see how he would
both
fare.
change levels at the same exact time.
And Mo gets the better of it. Gets in on the underhooks. Pins Уулu against the cage. This was something I was interested to see. Уулu spent a couple fights in a ring. I wanted to see how he would react heading back to the cage. Nice little throw attempt, which at the very least disengages them, puts him back to a striking battle.
Mo almost caught him off guard there.
Yeah, a little bit of happy feet there from Уулu. Outside trip attempt.
Gets his hips away. Nice defense by Mo right there.
Real good wrestling work from both these guys in the clinch. When Mo leads, he does a good job of getting Ulu to back up.
Very nice job about circling around. Controlling Mo up against the cage right now. Back to the center. Mo making him work in every angle, in every position. Ulu's definitely going to have to earn anything.
Good leg kick. 90 seconds left. And again, it's that low calf kick.
Mo thought about pulling the trigger there.
He's just waiting a little bit too much.
Caught him with a knee.
Needs a knee, but gets the takedown there.
Ends up on Ulu's back.
Got a seat belt, switches it to double unders.
Ulu's very nice, though, getting up onto his feet here. Nice Grand
Good
roll out.
Wow. High level wrestling
insane right now.
from Akılbek there. Good left hand. He's doing a real good job of controlling the center with Mo.
Akılbek, 25 strikes landed in round one against Mo Miller with 10. Miller 1 for 2 takedowns. Definitely grounded opponent. Mo being very careful. Let him circle around.
Akılbek complaining about the glove hold. Hurts that he can't speak English, unfortunately. Good knee there, though.
He had him by the wrist, it looked like. Mo Miller forgot his mouthpiece.
And we're back.
I thought I saw it, but I was like, no way. But he did. Ooh. Straight right, gets through.
Gets
through
down.
again.
It looks like he's willing to eat that leg kick to try to land a right hand on here. Good uppercut. Another leg kick.
It's almost Ulu maybe needs to feint that one too.
Yeah.
And then follow Mo wherever he goes and try to get a couple more punches off within that combo after them feints.
He's throwing the 1-2 and he's landing it. He's just not doing a ton of damage. And Mo's just waiting a little bit too much. Mo just reaching a little bit on his strikes right now. Not totally finding his distance. Mo looking for time to level change.
Mo just keeps throwing that jab out there, and Ulu has no answer for it right now.
But he's got to keep pumping it. He's letting Ulu dictate where this fight's taking place too much.
Head kick and spinning back fist and missed. Ulu saw it coming.
Good body shot on the entry there from Mo.
Those leg kicks starting to add up, man.
And he threw another one. He tried to double down on it. Good stiff jab from Ulu there.
Mo needs to start setting something up, though.
Yeah,
Ulu sees it coming every time.
It's got to be 3, 4, 5, but the risk that comes is then you open up your hips for the takedown. Right now, it's what does Mo want? What does Mo want to expose himself to right now? But he's got to open up, or he's going to lose the decision. Strikes 33 to 18, 14 landed to 3.
That leg's definitely hurting him.
And he had to switch stances already.
straight right.
2 there. But now we got to put more on the
Now,
outside.
Mo can keep going forward. That's where you're seeing his success. When Уулу starts to dictate where the fight, Mo has no answer for it until he starts walking forward again.
Yeah, when Mo's letting himself get put up against the fence like it is here, he loses the exchanges and he loses the round. When he starts leading, when he throws the 1-1-2, it immediately puts Mo
Goes
back
for
on
a
his back
takedown.
foot.
Oh, a head
Oh,
kick gets
boy.
through.
Mo
He tried to shake his head off like it did not come
but
through.
I think
but
that landed pretty good.
Yes.
And there's another knee, shaking again, telling Chip to get out of the way. And Mo covering up.
Yeah.
And now he's taken down. One minute left. Good news to the body from Akılbek here.
Working himself up with the cage.
Good stand up there from Mo.
Needs to make sure he's returned down to the mat just like that.
Then gets
Now
his far
Ulu's
side
putting the
hand
boots
trap.
in. Instead, Mo's gonna get out.
Yeah. A good scramble there
Wow.
from Mo. Nearly a really bad position. But Akılbek connects again.
Ulu's just seeing everything so well right now.
He's starting to open up a little bit more, get a little more confident. Nice little elbow there.
Not really liking the body language from Mo right now.
We got 10 seconds in this round. Akılbek looking to take over now.
Mo, not looking too bad, but definitely not on the same level as Ulu right now.
Eats a stiff jab off the start. Leaves the head kick. A lot of feints starting to come from Akılbek. And he's just connecting with that left hook every time Mo ducks.
And Ulu looks just as fresh as he did in round one.
Does good shot there, good defense by Mo. But it looks like Akılbek could start using those shots to set up some overhands, feint the level change, because Mo's hand shot straight to his ankles on that shot at times.
Curious to see if Ulu goes back to that leg kick.
Catches it on a push kick, dumps him down, steps over to the other side. And now he is in the open too, which is going to make this even tougher for Mo to get up. Fortunately, he's going to have to either start looking to turtle back up, which exposes some positions, or try to maintain guard, which just slows down the entire process of getting up.
Ulu trying to isolate an arm.
Yep.
Doing a very good job. Looks like he's going to try to use that to maybe pass in the full mount.
That guard is open. He could back step into side control.
There he goes.
But he's starting to lace this Kimura. Mo gets the thumbs up. But he's got to be careful. The arm straight, and now it's bent. And if he can clear that leg,
Needs to create a scramble here. Getting closer and closer with every second that ticks.
the gloves make it hard, but he is starting to separate this wrist. And now, really what's saving Mo is this half guard.
Mm-hmm.
He's
He's
got
got a lot of time to work with
And
here.
he's got to be careful that Akılbek doesn't start switching his hips and bringing it to the other side. There's some really nasty Kimura options if you can separate that leg.
Oh, there he goes. Gets his arm out.
Yep. A little bit safer for Mo, but now
Ulu's inside mount.
he's in a very tight side mount. Good shoulder pressure.
Keeping his chest down.
And you can tell that is uncomfortable on Mo's end. Dropping some shoulders into the jaw / throat.
Ulu being very patient, taking control of this position.
And just being smart. The shots aren't doing a ton, but they're going to disrupt some things.
works back into half guard. Gets his hips off.
And now we're back in the full guard. 2 minutes left in our third round.
Уулу being very dominant.
Yeah, most looking to get up. You need to start working his back to the fence, though. You got to scramble. You got to Wolverine kick your way back. You can't be just casual in this attempt.
Maybe if he's getting close to the fence, just try to work your way over there a little
Yeah,
bit.
you need to start scrambling back there a little bit quicker, a little more central urgency.
Ref giving him some warnings, trying to get one of these two fellas to work forward towards something or get up.
Doing a good job walking.
Oh, there you go.
Tries to hip bump.
Уулу snaps him down again.
Yeah. Now he's just
Trapping
back
him
inside
chest to
control. Good heavy pressure.
Ref
seconds
calls
left.
time.
Not really sure.
Me neither. I think he paused the fight to tell him to work.
Yeah.
That's odd.
I understand that the English second language is making it difficult, but that's more so on the corner to be able to translate it. And if the ref
And he just paused the fight. That's
no,
nuts.
and if the ref can't understand you, right, then we just stand him up at that point.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
That was interesting. I
Ends the
like
round with
10,000
his
fights.
boots in.
10 seconds to go. Уулу trying to put a stamp on the end of this round.
Certainly looks to be 3 rounds.
There you
to
go.
0.
Mo's still there. Almost created a scramble. Both fighters looking decently enough fresh going into round 4. Be very exciting. I'd really like to see Mo work that jab a little more. It's been successful since the start of the fight.
It has. When he throws it, he lands, and when he goes forward first, he's having success. The issue is he's getting stuck a little too much on the back foot. Those leg kicks have slowed Mo down, too. Good body shot attempt for Mo, but he needs more than just one strike there.
Start to drop his hands, though, every time Уулу goes low.
Yeah. He's got to watch that level change overhand soon.
Yeah, Уулu makes that read. Nice takedown.
And just
that was beautiful.
Beautifully timed.
Entrance.
Right into that leg lace. Now he's even deeper, and we are 4 minutes left in this round. Mo's starting to give up his back.
He is by the fence, though. You use that to his advantage to get up here.
Yeah. Unfortunately, he's also in his opponent's corner. It's a double-edged sword here.
And he doesn't know what they're saying. So.
No. Big, heavy strikes.
Strikes to the back of the head,
watch the back of the head. A little pause in the action for a back of the head strike. Mo's got to be careful getting that backside hook.
Уулu being very patient. Ooh, fence grab.
Big fence grab there.
If he wouldn't have been taken down, it'd have probably been stopped right there.
Yep, and now
In a point.
he gets that cross body control. And that's what you want. If you can't get both hooks in, you want far shoulder, near hip, or near hip, far shoulder. Right? Something to...
Oh, he snuck it in.
He snuck that rear naked
That
choke
was
in.
tight.
It's deep. He's got one boot in. And
He
there's the
tapped.
tap. Akılbek, Уулу.
Wow. That was like, bow, man.
Lightning quick snatched it.
Wow.
Here's the replay with the finish.
It was tight.
Little off angle, but Mo Miller still finds a way to get it.
Really
Incredible.
controlled him the whole fight. Had him where he wanted to all the time. Never got in a bad position.
And it's what we see out of a lot of these Caucasus fighters, right? Real good wrestling control, solid fundamental striking. You don't force things, you don't rush things, and when the finish opens up, then you take it.
That was nice. Very patient. Didn't rush any position while he was on the ground. Right before he snuck in that rear naked choke.
Very fast. Very fast rear naked choke.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cleveland, Ohio, put your hands together for both of these professional championship level fighters. But your winner and AFP professional bantamweight champion by winners of submission with 2 minutes and 14 seconds in round number 4, fighting out of our blue corner, Ilimbek, Akılbek, Уулу.
With those leg kicks and understanding that was working was huge.
He was real. He was smart. He's the shorter fighter in there. He's checking away at the leg kicks. Don't think we're going to get an interview with Eddie because Eddie doesn't speak Russian nor whatever the language of Kyrgyzstan is. I don't want to offend anyone, so I will just. I know the general language is Russian, but an outstanding.